Hi, we're Denise and Reed, and we have been living in Mexico in our self-converted camper van. And after spending 3 entire months soaking up the sun and surf in Baja, we are on our way back to the United States. Or so we thought.
I just found out that Bella possibly needs major knee surgery.
We've had vets tell us that it's a good idea, and vets say that it's not such a good idea. I am just so ready to get this over with and get Bella back in our arms, safe and sound.
Wasn't so easy, but we finished fine.
It wasn't so. You said
There
it
are
wasn't.
complications.
You said it wasn't so easy.
Looks like we're staying longer after all. Good morning. It's time for us to have a good day.
It's time to take your joint medicine.
Good job, Bella.
We've been giving Bella this joint medicine every single day. She gets half a tablet. We're trying to lessen the impact of her arthritis, and it seems to be working pretty well.
You may be wondering why we're in Airbnb right now. Well, we have some stuff we need to catch you up on. But first, matcha. We have some things we need to explain to you.
Yeah, we are here because our sweet girl Bella, she needs ACL surgery. It's a very intense surgery, and we need a stable environment for her. After weeks of mulling over whether to have it or not to have it, we have finally come up to the day before surgery.
There's more we want to talk about, and it's a really nice day. So let's go outside.
Yeah, let's do that.
As we said inside, the surgery that Bella needs is pretty intrusive. They're going to be drilling into her bone and changing the angle of the joint.
Yeah, they're gonna cut all the way through the tibia and shift the bone, and that way it won't be grinding on her meniscus anymore. It's a very common surgery, so that makes us feel better. They're flying in a doctor from Mexico City who's done over 1,000 of these surgeries. It's just very, very, very scary and nerve-wracking to put your animal under
Anesthesia.
Surgery is very scary, and you feel very, responsible and protective over your pet.
Definitely.
She is active for a bulldog, I'll say.
Yes.
So, and she's learned how to swim on the road. She's been on countless hikes, and we want to continue that. It'll be a hard 12 weeks is the recovery process.
We thought that being out of the van could be helpful while she heals, and to make sure that we both are in a good mindset, still working on routines, taking care of ourselves. So while we've been here, we've been creating really great routines. Speaking of routines, it's time for us to get started.
Let's get into it. I've been definitely taking advantage of this view right here. Every morning, this is where I stretch, breathe, and shake it out before I go on my run. Bella always watches me while I do my morning stretches. Sometimes she does her own stretches too.
Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. Into the belly, into the chest, and let go. No pause between inhalation and exhalation. Breath hold.
While Reed is doing his morning routine upstairs, I'm gonna start mine down here, and I'm gonna start with a meditation.
As part of the session, I would like you to move your body in some way for the next 10 to 15 minutes.
Sounds like I'm gonna need to get my yoga mat out.
And with the release of mood stabilizing and stress relieving chemicals flooding our brains, comes measurable, real life changes in stressful situations. Lab experiments show that
I have been taking a stress-less course. I want to mitigate the stress that I'm under when Bella goes in for surgery and as she's recovering. I know that there's going to be a lot of feelings that come up for us after she comes back from surgery, and just seeing her not being able to move and be as mobile as she usually is, and how that's gonna affect her and then affect us. And that's why we're creating such strong routines now.
I did 4 miles, babe.
Good job.
Yeah, it was harder. I thought it would be easier after doing 5 miles, but no, it was just as hard today. Cold showers after a hot run.
I tend to try to read for at least 15 minutes in the morning, and I just started a new book that I'm really enjoying. There are 2 different ways that I really like to journal, either with a tangible notebook, or I do it on my computer from an app that I use called Morning Pages, and it tracks each day that you write. We are running pretty low on food, but I know that I'm gonna have to eat a big breakfast today because we're gonna be working for a while. I don't know what to eat. Oatmeal it is. Maybe with something on the side.
Not only does this girl need a knee surgery, but the day we found out that she needed knee surgery, she got a fungal infection in between her toes. And so we've had having to spray her down twice a day with this, and then 3 times a day with an oil. So little baby girl's gone through it. Her toe's looking much better. You can show it. It's it's her left one. It was really red and inflamed in there. Oh, she doesn't like how it feels when we spray it in there. Good girl. We spray that on, wait 5 minutes, and then we spray the oil on.
Una escuela.
Una clase fácil.
An easy class. Mi maestro. Check. So while we've been here, part of my morning routine has been to study Spanish. In the beginning, I was doing Spanish for a few hours a day. Now that we're incorporating other things into our morning routine, I've been doing about an hour a day.
Yo necesito estudiar. I need to study.
We are going to get some work done on this video you're watching right now, along with some other projects. So for the next few hours, we're gonna be pretty busy. We'll check back in soon.
We are taking Bella on a walk. This is probably the last walk she's gonna do with this knee. We're gonna make it count. We're just here with Bella on this beautiful beach, reflecting on all of the epic shit that Bella has done on this knee.
So much. In fact, since we've been on the road, she swam in San Diego, she swam in Seattle, Maine, and Miami. This girl's been in every ocean that touches the US, so. And she's hiked mountains all
Endless
over.
mountains.
So, we know she put this knee to good use.
We just love this dog so much. We're so proud of it and impressed by how much this
Bella.
bulldog can do.
Come here, Bella. Give me a holder. Hey, give her to me.
Once she's fully recovered, we're gonna get back to having adventures with her.
Give Bella a happy birthday shout out in the comments. Her birthday is actually on Cinco de Mayo. So happy belated birthday, Bella.
Bella's gonna be the first bulldog to live to 25 years old.
Without a doubt. We are all packed up and ready to go. We're about to head to La Paz to bring Bella to the vet. Let's go. My stomach's definitely in my throat right now. My heart's beating really fast. I know that this is the right decision. I believe it's the right decision. This is not the easiest thing for Reed to be experiencing this either. We definitely cannot wait to have her back in our arms again. I just want to get this surgery over with. Let's just take her in, talk to the vet, get any questions answered. Next time we see you, you're gonna be out of surgery. We love this little bulldog with all our hearts.
She's loving the city right now. Oh no, doggy. Leave her alone.
I know she's gonna be fine. Ugh. I'm just a crier, but I know she's gonna be fine. It just was hard leaving her at the vet. Everything was fine. He answered all our questions that we had, and you know, he checked her leg again and everything. It just is like hard leaving her at the vet. So I just can't wait until we're holding her again and we know she's all right. Whew. Morning, everyone. It is a good morning indeed because we are getting Bella back today. We got a message late last night.
Yeah, she's fine. We finished without problem the surgery. Okay, I will send you photos and a video of Bella awake.
Now they've sent a few videos of her walking around. She's walking basically without a limp, which is the most Bella thing ever. Of course, she just is like so strong.
I'm just very happy to see her walking. I mean, after looking at the x-rays and the images of the surgery, you know, it was very hard to see that, and there's so much stress that went into this, and now we just have to do, you know, our best to make sure she has the best recovery possible, and that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go pick up, try to find a kennel for her and some ice and heating packs.
And then we are going over to the vet and we're picking up our dog.
If you would have told me that Bella would be getting a surgery in Mexico a couple years ago, I would not have believed you, but here we are.
Talk to y'all later. There's your baby girl. Thank you so much. You can come in over here.
We got our baby back. Oh, I gotta be careful here. Oh yes, good girl. Good job, baby.
Meow. They left us with instructions. Give medications as indicated. Keep e-collar or cone on until next appointment. Show up for x-ray appointments. We're gonna need an x-ray appointment in 2 weeks. And that's when we're leaving Mexico. She's walking normally. She wants to be out and about. She wants a lot of food. She's the same old Bella. We couldn't expect anything less. We're gonna start the drive back to Todos Santos, where she's gonna be recovering. We will share all of the recovery details and that experience with you on another video. Thank you so much, all of you, for the love. It'll be a couple weeks before we make another video about how she's recovering. She'll obviously be in our videos, so you'll see her. We're gonna make a full follow-up video in a couple weeks. We'll see you next week. Thank y'all.
We're back at the Airbnb.
She's like, why are y'all paying so much attention?
She wolfed down her first meal post-surgery as we expected.